By 2025, hybrid cars will evolve to meet the demands of a more, becoming even more, and in this video we'll explore how hybrid cars are evolving, their benefits, and why they are an essential part of the ###A is a vehicle that uses to move the car. The most common hybrid configuration is a combination of and powered by A. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine, helping to reduce and. There are three main types of hybrid vehicles. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine but cannot drive the vehicle on its own. Hybrid cars combine, offering a balance between and making them a practical choice for the modern consumer. Hybrids consume less fuel because the electric motor assists the gasoline engine, especially during and since hybrids use alongside gasoline, they reduce the amount of fuel needed for driving, contributing to a more The hybrid car market has been steadily growing, and by 2025, it is expected to see even. With the demand for increasing and government regulations tightening on emissions, hybrid cars are becoming a mainstream option for consumers. Key trends in the hybrid car market for 2025 include, as technology improves and production volumes increase, the cost of hybrid vehicles will continue to decrease, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. By 2025, hybrid cars will become and for those looking to drive sustainably without sacrificing performance. Hybrid cars release than traditional vehicles because the electric motor handles part of the driving load, reducing the reliance on gasoline. Hybrids recover energy during braking, storing it in the battery to power the electric motor, further enhancing. As hybrid technology advances, we can expect several exciting developments in 2025. Future hybrids will come with, which will optimize when the electric motor and gasoline engine should be used for. There will be even more, and thanks to continuous advancements in, and by emitting fewer greenhouse gases and using less fuel, hybrids contribute significantly too. Hybrid technology provides a balance between traditional and allowing for to a more transportation system.